Morphology is the process of subdividing something into its component parts. By considering product, deliverables, processes and roles, a project can be broken down into a multitude of activities. This is the list of work that is needed to complete the project, resulting in a set of instructions that provide a clear definition of tasks that can be managed through to project completion. In projects, we call this the product breakdown structure and, as this is further developed into activities, the work breakdown structure. Normally, this is shown as a hierarchical diagram, such as a tree diagram or mind map. This breakdown of the project is useful as a management tool for a number of reasons. This subdivision of the project into tasks allows management to define effective and efficient monitoring and control of the work through to project delivery. Also, each task can be allocated or delegated to others within the project organisation. Sometimes specific tasks are subcontracted to another part of the organisation or a different company. In these cases, formal contracts and/or agreements will be established. It is wise to expect visibility of detailed plans for these delegated tasks in order to achieve effective management. Sometimes more informal agreements, perhaps between the project manager and individuals, will be established. These agreements should establish specific accountability and authority, as well as setting quality expectations, deadlines and costs or budget transfers that will constrain the delegated work. Development of accurate estimates will be enhanced by the involvement of experts and those people who will do the work. Defining specific outputs from each activity, the expected standards of completion and associated costs and deadlines allows monitoring of progress as the tasks are satisfactorily completed. Progress monitoring must compare planned expectations for each activity with measures of achievement, timeline, spend or resource usage, and actual achievement of quality. Thus, the performance of the project team can be assessed, leading to decisions and actions taken that revisit project outcomes, costs and deadlines. Important in the consideration of project activities is the level of risk contained within the defined approach. Risk planning is a key component of project management because of the uncertainty that is always inherent in projects. Risks can occur within a single activity, or a risk can be generated by a collection of activities that combine to produce knock-on effects, sometimes building into a significant risk. In order to contain risk, we must identify the inherent risks and seek ways to deal with them, so they do not cause problems as we progress through the project. The WBS forms an effective framework for identifying risks at all levels of the project. During WBS development, and as we update it throughout the project, it forms an effective and efficient communication mechanism that allows the project team and other stakeholders to identify how the project is constructed. We can see how each activity fits within the whole project. The WBS shows what product and deliverable is served by an activity, and via the network, what are the interconnections between activities, how an output from one activity feeds into another activity, and which activities can be completed in parallel or independently of each other. Therefore, much project information can be communicated through the WBS. Morphology is the process of breaking something down into its component parts. For a project, this results in a product and work breakdown structure that has a number of uses to help management of a project. These include enabling effective monitoring of project progress, allocation of resources to specific activities, identification of risk at all levels, estimating and communication. As such, the PBS WBS is a powerful management tool that can be used throughout the project.